Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best drawer small is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for organizing your home, offering a sleek and modern way to declutter any room, from your kitchen and bathroom to your office and bedroom, ensuring that everything has its place and is easily accessible. Number 5. Sorbus 7-Drawer Acrylic Makeup Organizer. Keep all your beauty essentials organized with this spacious makeup storage solution. It features 7 drawers, including both wide and small options, perfect for brushes, lipsticks, and jewelry. Its clear acrylic design is not only sleek and durable but also transparent. This allows you to easily find the cosmetics you need at a glance. Looking for the perfect holiday gift? This organizer is ideal for teens, women, and beauty enthusiasts, making it a great present for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. Despite its compact size, it's incredibly functional. It measures 9.25 inch L x 6.25 W x 11.5 H and stacks efficiently to maximize your vanity or countertop space. Achieve versatile organization for all your beauty tools. It keeps your makeup, brushes, and other items neat and accessible without cluttering your space. What we like? This organizer offers a generous amount of space with its 7 drawers, perfect for all your beauty essentials. Its clear acrylic design lets you see everything at a glance, making your routine smoother. If you're looking for a stylish and functional way to store a wide variety of makeup and accessories, this is a great choice. What people say? The drawer is small and fits perfectly in the limited space. It's surprisingly spacious for its size, holding more than expected. The drawer slides smoothly, making it easy to access items. Number 4. HOMZ 3-Tier Rolling Drawer Tower. Tired of clutter? This rolling storage cart is designed to help you organize any space, whether it's your home or office. It's the perfect solution for keeping your belongings tidy and accessible. Don't let its small footprint fool you. This unit offers 3 generous drawers, providing ample storage without taking up too much space. It's designed to fit perfectly wherever you need it. Featuring clear drawers and removable wheels, this cart offers both visibility and mobility. Easily move it around to store toiletries, office supplies, craft materials, and so much more. We care about the planet. This storage solution is made from 90% recycled materials, making it a great choice for both your organizational needs and the environment. From everyday clutter to specific storage needs, we have the perfect container for you. Let us help you transform your house into a perfectly organized HOMZ. What we like? This rolling storage cart provides 3 spacious tiers for all your items, and the removable wheels offer great flexibility. It's also made with 90% recycled materials, making it an eco-friendly option. If you need versatile storage that can be easily moved around and want to make a sustainable choice, this cart is ideal. What people say? The drawer is small and fits perfectly in the intended space. It's a great addition for organizing small items and keeping the desk clutter-free. The drawer slides smoothly and is easy to open and close. Number 3. WLIVE 2-Drawer Nightstand, Dark Gray. Keep your bedtime essentials, books, and electronics neatly organized and within easy reach with these 2 removable storage drawers. It's the perfect size for any cozy bedroom or dorm. This small side table functions perfectly as a bedside table, dresser, or storage organizer. It seamlessly fits into your bedroom, living room, office, or entryway. Enjoy a stylish wooden top that's spill-proof for easy cleanups. The sturdy fabric drawers glide smoothly, offering a pure pleasure every time you use them. This nightstand is built with a rock-solid steel frame, ready for daily life. For adjustable feet, keep it steady on any floor and protect your floors from scratches. Assembly is a breeze. With all the tools and instructions provided, you can have your new organizer set up in just about 15 minutes. What we like? This nightstand features 2 convenient fabric drawers for discreet storage and a stylish wooden top. It's designed for quick assembly, so you can organize your space in no time. If you need a compact bedside table that offers both style and easy organization, especially in smaller rooms or dorms, this is a fantastic option. What people say? The drawer is small and fits perfectly in the designated space. It has a smooth sliding mechanism, making it easy to open and close. The construction feels sturdy and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 2. Winsome Halifax 5-Drawer Cabinet. Introducing the Winsome Halifax 5-Drawer Cabinet, a versatile storage solution for your home or office. Its clean white finish offers a contemporary look that complements any decor. With 5 spacious drawers, it's perfect for organizing craft supplies, office accessories, or anything else you need to keep tidy. The generous interior dimensions ensure plenty of room for your items. Need more workspace? Simply place a worktop over 2 of these units to create a functional and stylish workstation. This adaptability makes it a great addition to any room. Crafted from composite wood with a sleek white finish, this cabinet is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle daily use while maintaining its modern aesthetic. Equipped with optional locking casters, you can effortlessly move this cabinet wherever you need it. Enjoy smooth portability and the option to secure it in place. Measuring 26.3 inches high, it provides substantial storage without taking up too much floor space. The thoughtful design includes clearance for casters, making it easy to maneuver. What we like? This cabinet offers 5 drawers, providing ample storage for craft supplies or office accessories. Its composite wood construction ensures durability, and optional casters add portability. If you need a substantial storage solution for a home office or craft room and appreciate the option to move it easily, this cabinet is a solid contender. What people say. The drawer is small and fits perfectly in the designated space. It slides smoothly and holds a good amount of items for its size. The construction feels sturdy and the finish is attractive. Number 1. Gracious Living 4-Drawer Desktop Organizer. Tired of a messy desk? This compact organizer is the perfect solution to keep your essentials tidy and accessible. It helps maintain a clear and organized workspace. It features 4 pull-out drawers, each designed to hold various items like office supplies or personal accessories. Keep everything neatly stored and within reach. Crafted for durability, this organizer is lightweight yet sturdy. It also includes a convenient flip-top tray for additional storage, enhancing your organization. The smooth glide drawers open effortlessly, allowing quick access to your items. Plus, the clear design lets you see contents at a glance, saving you time. Transform your home or office with this versatile organizer. It's designed to help you live a more organized and gracious life. What we like? This organizer is designed to keep your desktop or countertop clutter-free with its 4 smooth gliding drawers. It also includes a useful flip-top tray for extra storage. If you're looking to maximize organization on your desk or counter space and want easy access to small items, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The drawer is small and fits perfectly in the intended space. It's a great addition for organizing small items, keeping the desk clutter-free. The drawer slides smoothly, making it easy to access contents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.